What up, what up, what up? It's your boy, the Options Boss. Sliding up on y'all. Hoping y'all had a green Monday. My Monday was pretty good. I can't hold you. I can't hold you. But I definitely want to slide up on y'all, let y'all know what I'm looking at this week as far as the market goes. Um, in general, before I get started, I need you guys to do me a favor. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel as well, drop a comment, let me know that you digging the content. And just in general, check out the boy page. Let me know how you feeling. But yeah, definitely this week, man, off to a good start this Monday. Uh, I'm a little skeptical about the market right now. I'm not sure if we about to go parabolic green or if we about to get bloody red. I'm not even necessarily sure. So I definitely kept it simple. I wasn't as aggressive. I didn't have as many plays as I normally would have, but the plays I did hop into, they worked out pretty good for me today. And I'm going to run down my plays to you guys. I'm going to tell you guys why I jumped in each of these plays, how they're looking right now, and what I'm hoping to happen from these plays. So to start off my day, I heard earlier this morning that Neo and XPing or XPEV had great delivery numbers. So I definitely put them on my radar early on. I wound up hopping into a XPEV call. That's doing pretty all right. Nothing amazing. It started off really good and it pulled back, but I'm still in it and I'm green on it, and we'll see if it remains. I feel like it'll be pretty good. So the EV sector has a lot of momentum because Joe Biden, he wants to be EV friendly, and over there in China they're super EV friendly, and XPEV and Neo were two of the companies that really benefit from that. So that being the case, I did hop in on XPEV. I did not get to Neo today, and we'll see if I will later on this week. But so far I didn't. Either way, those are two companies that you guys definitely should keep in mind for the rest of this week when you guys are making moves. It could be some money in it for you guys. And of course, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that found the stock market and was fortunate enough to make some money in it and start liking it. So here I am telling you guys what works for me. It may not work for you. Maybe it will work for you. If it does, that's great. Um, on top of hopping in XPEV, I did hop into Blink Charging, BLNK. I hopped into them early in the morning as well, first thing in the morning. They actually pulled back on me and went red. I'm still in the position, but I am red in the position. I believe I got I want to say I believe I got $55 calls on them, and for XPEV, I want to tell you guys that I got $50 calls. So just keep those numbers in mind. Um, that being the case, hop in blink charge and it pulled back on me. But I can't really be too upset because out of all my positions, that was the main one that gave me any type of red today. The other positions I was in, like I said, I didn't get a lot of positions today, but the positions I were in, they all did me pretty well. Um, Shortly after that, I hopped into a Fubo call. I jumped on those guys. I believe I got, I forget the exact strike on it, but I know I was probably about $2 away from the money. I think I might got 55 calls or something along those lines. So Fubo, story with them guys is very simple. They're being short squeezed almost to the extent of GameStop and how AMC and BBY and all those were. Almost to that extent, but not quite. And at the same time, they got a price upgrade this morning. So I thought it would be a good chance for me to hop in there. Um, I thought they would get some good momentum. You also know that on top of the whole live streaming TV thing that they do, they also, I believe, are dibbling and dabbling into sports gambling, which is becoming more and more of a big thing. So that being the case, I definitely felt like with that and a price target upgrade, that it was definitely some room to run in there. So I hopped in. I'm nicely green on Fubo. I did carry it overnight. You guys know me. I usually like to get in and get out. But because I'm not really feeling strongly about where the market is headed, I was a little more content to carry the positions that I got. especially if I was green on a position and hoping for an even bigger green tomorrow. So I'm in on those guys. They actually started doing pretty good towards the end of the day, and they went up a little bit after hour, but then they pulled back. So we'll see how that goes. But I am expecting them to go big green again tomorrow, and they were up pretty nicely today. I believe over 5%. So I was happy with that. Um, I did take a trip down to the QQQ. Hopped in Skyworks. Uh, I grabbed a call on those guys. I want to say with Skyworks, I went pretty out the money. I grabbed a 195 call, I want to say. But Skyworks had a pretty nice day. They moved up. You know, they just had some great earnings here recently. And then when we had that Bloody Friday, everything they gave back all their gains from the earnings. So I hopped in today, and pretty much all those gains that they gave back from earnings, they pretty much got most of that back today. And I'm looking for them to run up some more. Honestly, guys, I would not be surprised to see Skyworks hit 200 this week if we have a week without a whole lot of sell-offs. So that's definitely something you want to keep on your watch list this week. I believe that's SWKS, Skyworks. So just keep that one in mind for your watch list. Lastly, I hopped into SPCE, and I am glad I did. My gosh, they went crazy today. SPCE is another one, similar story to some of the other plays I got in, so you guys will notice the trend. They were high up on the short squeeze list, as far as people shorting them and the squeeze happening, guys buying up shares. So that was pushing the stock up. At the same time, they ran up pretty good last week, and then they pulled back pretty good on Friday. So today, pretty much what they did was they came back and got most of their gains back from Friday, I believe, and some. And we're looking for that to carry over. And the great thing about getting the SPCE calls, and I have two of them at two different strikes. I believe I had 55 call, which is pretty good into the money right now, and I believe I have a 65 call, which is not in the money right now, but darn sure could be with the way things are going. So SPCE, they actually went crazy after hours. Last I saw, they was around 58 or something, and I was happy about that. So what happened is Elon Musk tweeted out or sent out a message that his company SpaceX is going to be taking, or is going to attempt to take civilians to I guess to the moon. And because he said that, SPCE went crazy after hours. So they went up a good percentage already. I have several calls on them. If they hold what they've already gained tonight and carry it over until tomorrow, I'm pretty sure I'll take profit on that sometime tomorrow. And if they do that, it'll be a very big win, a very nice day for my portfolio. So that's what I'm hoping for. I hope you guys were green today. If you were green, drop a comment, let me know. If you was red, drop a comment, let me know. Let me know what happened. I mean, I know every day is not a green day. So that being the case, like I said, guys, I wasn't in a lot of plays. That's what I'm in right now. If any of this could be helpful for you guys tomorrow and the rest of this week or into next week, that's great. I hope you guys can make some money off of it. But it's your boy, the Options Boss. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, please hit that subscribe. Please hit that like button. And I definitely appreciate the love. So, yeah, I'ma holler when I holler.